Looking for a brand new home, but not sure which neighborhood is the best fit? The good news is there's several beautiful new homes throughout the CSRA, all offering completely different lifestyles. Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins with Shannon Rollins Real Estate, and today I'm going to share with you a few communities you may not be aware of and help you determine which community might be the best fit for you. Be sure to watch to the end when I share with you what special feature all of these neighborhoods have in common. If you love peaceful surroundings, scenic views, and a neighborhood where you can enjoy evening walk or watch the kids ride bikes, Lakes and Streams is definitely worth exploring. With beautiful lakes, fountains, green space, and thoughtfully designed homes, it's a wonderful choice for families and anyone looking for a little extra tranquility while staying close to everything the CSRA has to offer. If your dream home includes a golf course or golf course views, resort-style amenities, and an active lifestyle, then you'll want to take a look at Mount Vintage. With championship golf, a community pool, tennis courts, fitness facilities, and stunning rolling landscape, it's a favorite for buyers looking to enjoy both luxury and lifestyle. If you love established, well-maintained neighborhoods with mature trees, level home sites, and timeless charm, Cooper Place offers beautifully designed homes and wonderful floor plans in a location that keeps you close to schools, shopping, restaurants, and everyday essentials. And if convenience and modern living are at the top of your list, you'll definitely want to explore the Rapids. With its quiet streets, community pool, and tennis courts, greenway access, custom homes, and unbeatable location just minutes from I-20, it's one of the area's most sought-after neighborhoods. Now here's what all four communities have in common. Welsh Custom Homes is building beautiful new homes in each of these neighborhoods at varying price points. They're known for quality craftsmanship, thoughtfully designed floor plans, stylish finishes, and quality materials that are built to last, giving homeowners the peace of mind and low-maintenance lifestyle that comes with buying new construction. Whether you're searching for your first home, your forever home, or just want the greatness of having a brand new house, come check out these homes. We'll be holding an open house Sunday, August 2nd from 2 to 5, where we'll have all of the homes open. You can come check out the different neighborhood, the finishes, the floor plans, and see if you happen to find a home that is just the perfect one for you. Or if you want to take a private tour or have questions or wonder how can you buy a home before you sell your home or where to go to get pre-qualified to get the lowest closing costs and interest rate, give us a call. My team and I are on standby 7 days a week, ready to help you take the smoother road to sold.